So with this cross section right here, you need to be very careful in how you start. So over here I see sand, shale, conglomerate. Over here I see sand, shale, conglomerate, shale. That tells me there's shale at the very, very bottom. So I'm going to go with this shale here as number 1, this conglomerate is number 2, and this shale as number 3. And then the fault comes through. And there's 2 faults, so it's this fault here, the first one. And I know the fault comes as number 4 because the fault stops after number 3. And then it all gets filled in with sandstone deposited horizontally. And then there's going to be this fault, and this fault stops right here. And then after that fault, we're going to go, so that was 4, 5, number 6, conglomerate deposited horizontally, number 7, shale deposited horizontally, number 8, magma intrusion, X is top and bottom, number 9, lava extrusion or volcano, and number 10, surface erosion. Moving on to this one, we're going to go shale, conglomerate, shale, conglomerate, sandstone. Then all of those get tilted or folded up on their side. Step number 6. Then we have an unconformity of the type angular. Then a fault comes through and cuts everything, including the unconformity. Number 9, we have sandstone deposited horizontally. Number 10, we have a unconformity of the type disconformity. We have sandstone deposited horizontally for 11. 12 is a lava extrusion, X is bottom only. 13 is limestone deposited horizontally. 14 is lava extrusion, X is bottom only. And then 15 we have surface erosion taking place right now. In this cross section over here, we have to be very careful with this cross section because this limestone is this limestone, this shale is that shale, and we can see that right here there's sandstone. So sandstone deposited horizontally, shale deposited horizontally, limestone deposited horizontally. Then those 3 layers seem to be folded, so they all get folded. Then everything gets buried in with this conglomerate right here. After the conglomerate is deposited horizontally, we get an intrusion that comes in and bakes everything, because we can see the X's all the way along the top here, showing that all of that got baked. Then we have a fault come in. The fault cuts all the way to right there. And then we have the shale deposited horizontally. Then we have this unconformity here. It's a disconformity. Then we have sandstone deposited horizontally. Then we have shale deposited horizontally. Then we have a magma intrusion. And we know it's a magma intrusion because there's X's on top and bottom. And then we have surface erosion.